Imagine making $900 per day online by simply copying links to trending stories or news articles. This doesn't involve copying the article itself, just the URL. You paste this link into a user-friendly app that automatically generates videos about the trending topic within minutes. I know this sounds too good to be true, but hear me out. Videos like these are going viral on YouTube. For instance, a faceless video on a trending topic garnered over 2.6 million views in just 3 months. The channel behind these videos has been around for only 2 years, focusing solely on trending content. Here's the secret. You'll be copying and pasting a link, not doing extensive research or video production. It's that simple. Videos on trending topics and news tend to go viral quickly. For instance, the first video from this channel received 82,000 views in its first 28 days. Another video posted just 2 days later accumulated 79,000 views in the same time frame. With about 180,000 views per day and a rate of $5 per $1,000 views, this channel makes $900 per day. In this video, I'll share 3 simple steps using Google and AI to create similar viral videos in minutes, without recording or editing. Step 1. Source your content. Begin with Google News, a news aggregate service that selects stories from various websites. Choose a trending topic, click on an article, and copy the link. The second source is Google Trends, which analyzes top search queries. Use it to identify trending topics and gauge their popularity. Step 2. Create your video. Head to InVideo AI and paste the copied link. Add the article title and inject some humor for engagement. You can even clone your voice to use in the video without additional recordings. Step 3. Customize and generate. Select your audience preferences and let InVideo AI work its magic. Within minutes, your link will be transformed into a professional video ready for platforms like YouTube. By following these steps, you'll effortlessly create videos on trending topics, potentially earning substantial income from ad revenue. This method requires minimal effort and technical skills, making it accessible to anyone interested in online content creation. So, if you're ready to leverage trending topics and AI technology to earn passive income, start by copying a link and let InVideo AI do the rest. And I think that you will also like these videos. Check them out here.